All right, it's a Friday here, and we're recording another edition of Flex's Legal Bid. I am overjoyed. I have full of energy. And of course, to my right here, or your left, whichever one, it's my tastefully hairy friend, Mr. Raul Norris.
What? What?
Norris. Oh, of course, Mr. Raul Guajardo here with another Flex's Legal Bid. Introduce yourself, sir.
Hello, my name is Raul Guajardo. I'm a personal injury attorney and been doing that for 22 years. And it will help you out all throughout Texas, right?
Throughout the nation.
Oh, yeah. Actually, we've had cases in Iowa, California,
Utah, Oregon, Washington.
not all.
So, if you need some information from us, you can go ahead and find us on social media. You can get our phone number, 956-318-3200, or you can send him a big old message on our website, www.raulguajardo.com. You're also showcasing our brand new merch. Dog. You got the new caption. Don't forget each cap is kind of selective, right? If you want a cap. If we go out to our events, if you're a new customer, if you want to purchase one, yeah, give us a call.
They're free. If they want one, they can come in and get one.
I'm trying to make some more.
I know. I don't want to get one, man.
All right.
You know, you can autograph them too.
They're free. Okay. Pick them up.
I got to go up for free whenever we're in some of the events, or you just want to come by the office.
Yeah.
706 East University Drive. You can pick up whichever one you like. And, supplies fast, right?
If I don't take this home first.
Yeah,
but yeah, keep an eye out. We have an event coming up here pretty soon. If you want to join us, we've got some back-to-school events that'll happen next month, and we'll disclose location on our social media. Just make sure you follow through. And yeah, lots of goodies going to be going. Especially these caps, pretty good. I like it. So today, a little bit different. We're doing reactions. Like that.
I thought we were questioning you, man.
Oh, personal question. No, reactions.
Oh, reactions.
You didn't do it. We'll be watching some videos, and of course, you're going to watch along with us, and we'll take a look at some accidents here and get to see this bad boy's reaction, see if we can find out, the cause, how, if you were involved in an accident, kind of like that, so what you would need to do as far as the process.
And, we've never seen these videos before myself, so I don't know. Have you seen it?
There's about an hour of it. I got up until about 58 minutes.
Oh, okay, so you didn't finish.
No, I didn't. No, it was okay. I was interrupted.
All right, so you want to start it?
All right, let's go.
Right.
We'll get into it. Best of car crashes, 2024. That's like
That's a weird title. Right?
Yeah. That's a real ton.
Yeah, best is like really
Best car crashes.
best of car crashes.
20 so far.
And this is so far.
So far.
Like if it were the Emmys or something. Anyway, the Oscars. All right, let's see. That's what we call multi-vehicle accident.
Involving a semi.
Yeah.
It even says there, that blue car lost control.
Oh, so they're reacting for it?
Yeah. They had a little narrative. Yeah, in case you didn't understand it when you watched it. So she was driving and failed to control her speed.
Oh, you know the sheet? You saw it?
Oh, I thought it said on there.
Oh, okay. I just saw the blue car. I'm like, oh, okay.
Unless I was just misread.
Right. Because look, she moved out of the lane, or the blue car. Look, like it cut across. It didn't even go through the lane. I thought that it was trying to switch lanes.
No.
But this was maybe something mechanical happened to that vehicle.
I think since the roads are wet, maybe she hit a water puddle. Maybe she hydroplaned. Oh. I know that one. Hydroplaned.
That's a fun word. More word for living. No, it seems like maybe she had an issue with her tire, dude. Just look at that. Yeah, and I see. Or that new car had some. I don't see any water, any puddles of water.
It still drives, obviously.
You know what I think happened here? I don't know, but I'm just guessing. But maybe there was some little spat inside the car.
You think so?
Because the tires seemed all right. I didn't see any puddles. But there was maybe some spat between spouses or significant others or something. I don't think, like some, leave me alone. Yeah, that's what I think. Because it all of a sudden jerked to my,
oh, yeah?
Yeah. But right there, I mean, of course, that first culprit. So that person would have the strongest liability.
And it's going to trickle down because now it's going into that vehicle crosses. They call the semi to go
They might couldn't do much to avoid it, but yeah, that's my take of it. Of course, the blue car is the one that was the main culprit, but there could be other responsible parties in the reaction time, but it's gonna definitely have to be that's gonna be the main culprit there.
I'll tell you, big plus. What do you think? Vehicle that has a dash cam.
Yeah,
gonna help out a ton.
Yep.
But if you have an accident and maybe somebody's getting in contact with you and you think they might have a dash cam, maybe get the information that would come in super handy.
Yeah, we've had witnesses that actually stop by with our clients when they've had an accident and volunteer to give them a copy of the dash video.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's coming in handy.
Yeah. Next.
All right.
Cool. Oh. It's not funny.
They didn't. So do you want to bet about that one or State Farm Girl?
Oh, there you go. What happened when you wreck into an insurance agent?
Or that they're those, well,
rear-ended.
And then difficult insurances sometimes. So
stay tuned next week. We're going to give you the top 5 at least.
Track out. So you want to analyze another one as opposed to that one we saw? There we go. Let's watch the State Farm lady.
What?
Another spat? Another inside spat? Keep going.
Oh, no. Yeah, look.
Oh. Who's at fault? Who's at fault?
You gotta look at the light, man. You gotta look at the light.
The one that was turning left.
Yeah, they were going too slow, and they might not have had the right of way.
See, trying to turn.
But the other guy was coming really fast. That's going to be a factor, too.
Yeah.
Because if they're coming really fast, that's contributory to the accident. If they were maybe doing what the speed limit is, they might have gotten away without hitting them and or, cause less damage.
Okay, so here's the thing. So if this vehicle is trying to beat the yellow light and this one's turning to beat the yellow light, which one is at fault?
The soup. Taste the soup. You got to find that clip. You remember Slam Setting Coming to America. Do you remember? Okay. So, in that case,
Are they really?
It could be both at fault, and it could be equally. Now, again, was somebody speeding? Was the other one speeding or not? But let's say nobody was speeding, and let's say they both came. I think it's 50-50. That's my take on it, which means you get kind of zeroed out.
I would say,
What would you say?
I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not an insurance person, but sometimes, because I've been caught in it, you can't just stop you can't stop at a certain distance of a yellow light, because if you do stop or try to stop, you're going to end up impeding traffic. So you want to pass the yellow light. I have the right of way, not the person turning.
So you're not a lawyer, you're not insurance, but you've done that, and you want to get away with it. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying I've been in a situation to where I can't come to a stop at a yellow light, so I have to.
Oh yeah,
I have to go.
Yeah, that's called who's waiting. Yeah, but also who has already engaged in the intersection. I mean, you may have already engaged first, and then the other person engaged in the intersection. Who's more engaged?
But it's not
embarrassing. Who's more committed to the intersection?
Isn't the correct? Isn't the correct definition or terminology of turning left on a solid green in a turn lane that they have to turn when it's they show it's clear?
But you didn't say solid green. You said they were both yellow.
Oh yeah, well yellow. Then they shouldn't even be turning.
Well, sometimes you have the yellow arrow. They're doing away with the fact. I haven't seen those much anymore. Another using the blinking, which means turn at your own.
I would think if you're turning and you don't have a solid green indicator, then this person automatically has a right of way. So you need to wait till they go, and then you can.
Yeah, but that's not what you said. You said, let's say both of them have yellow. But you know what? They wouldn't have a yellow arrow if the other one has a yellow light. That's right. They wouldn't, right? It could be they could both have yellow lights. So we go back to whoever was engaged first in the intersection. It's impossible to have that yellow light and have the other person have a yellow turn arrow. It's really not.
They do those anymore? Is that what you think they did away with it?
No, because if you have the yellow turn signal or the yellow arrow, it was green. That means you have the right of way. So it turned yellow, you still have the right of way.
But who's on first?
Anyway, let's see
the next one here.
One last one here.
Not that one, the next one. Yeah, not that one.
Yeah, I know. Part of the language.
The black driver was at fault. Is this sped up?
You know, oh man. We're at the single vehicle accident. So he's at fault. Austin, Texas. I think that was
You see that? There you go. There you go.
what do I
Illegal U-turn.
what do I need to say about that? Yeah, that's all I need to say about that.
And that's all I have to say about that.
There's this other driver did a U-turn and they went into the lane and slammed on brakes.
He was 100% at fault.
Yeah.
Illegal U-turn.
Probably like a young driver, not experienced. Right? And that's all I have to say about that. But that was interesting. I had a not day. Wow, cool.
All right, so you've been watching along with us. If you've had any similar incidents or accidents and you have any questions, of course, you can get a hold of us at any time at 956-318-3200. You can also shoot us a message on our social media. Which social medias do we have?
We have YouTube. That's fantastic. We have YouTube. We have X. We have Facebook. We have Instagram. And we have TikTok.
Well, that would. And our website.
Woodwahada.com.
You can go on there and actually you can fill out a contact form. Let us know exactly what you have a question on. That'll get sent directly to us, and then we can help you out with that one.
Why don't you have them send you some questions?
You could also send me some questions. I mean, I wasn't even done yet.
And what we could do is feature them on the next
What
video.
you can do is feature you on the next video.
I mean, if they submit some questions, we can go ahead and any legal questions that they have, we want to review them for them, and we'll put them on our next video.
Plus, don't forget, we got new merch. If you want to check it out, come by our office, 706 East University Drive here in Edinburgh, and we'll be happy to give you a free cap and an autograph. We can take a picture with Mr. Norris here.
And remember,
whoa, watch out for those registered weapons there.
that's not a thing, dude.
We're with you.